Number 1 says solve. Number 1 says solve. So again, we look at anything that's in the grouping symbols first. So for A, we have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 9 divided by 3 we have to do first. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we have 12 plus 3, which is 15. For B, we have 4 times 2 plus 7 minus 6. So again, our grouping symbols are our parentheses, are around 2 plus 7, which we do first, which is 9. Then we look at our order of operations, and it says we do anything that's multiplication or division next. So 4 times 9 is 36. The last thing we have is 36 minus 6, which is 30. And the last one, C, again, we do anything in parentheses first. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 18 divided by 6, or how many times 6 goes into 18, is 3. Number 2 says, if you want to know how many boxes of markers will fit in a drawer, do you need to find length, area, or volume? So since we're doing inside of a drawer, which is a 3-dimensional object, the space inside any 3-dimensional object is volume. So we would need to find the volume of the drawer to see how many markers we could fit inside of it. Number 3 says find the area of a table that is 3 feet wide and 2.5 feet long. So if we look at this first one right here, we have 2.5. The second one we also have 1, 2.5. And in this last row, we again have 1, 2.5. So we need to add them all together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. And then we have 1/2 left over. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 1/2 is 7 1/2 square feet. Number 4 says write the following expression using numbers. 7 times the sum of 6 and 4, which means we have 7 times the sum of 6 and 4, which means we need to do that first. So 6 plus 4. It doesn't say to solve, it just says write the expression, so we can leave it like that. The next one says the difference of 16 and 8 divided by 2. So we have to find the difference, or subtracting, of 16 and 8, and then we need to divide that by 2. And number 5 says, how would you decide which type of measurement you would need to know in problem 2? So again, you first have to decide, is a drawer 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional? Since we know a drawer is 3-dimensional, meaning there's space inside of it, we know we need to find the volume. The length and the area are things we find of 2-dimensional objects, which is not that of a drawer. Make sure you write that in your own words on problem 5.